Understanding, to be a smart cookie. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an interesting and widely used phrase, to be a smart cookie. Have you ever wondered what it means to be called a smart cookie? Or how to use this phrase in your conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unpack the meaning together and learn how to use it effectively. The phrase, to be a smart cookie, is an informal, idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is intelligent, clever, or quick-witted. It's a way to praise someone's mental acuity or their ability to figure things out efficiently. Despite the playful and casual nature of the term, being called a smart cookie is definitely a compliment. It suggests that the person is not only intelligent but also has practical knowledge and can solve problems effectively. While the exact origin of "to be a smart cookie" is not clear, it is believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. The word cookie in this context is thought to be derived from the Dutch word koekje, which means little cake. Over time, the term cookie came to be associated not just with the sweet treat, but also as a term of endearment or affection. When paired with smart, it creates a playful way of acknowledging someone's cleverness. Using "to be a smart cookie" in conversations is straightforward. It's best used in informal settings among friends, family, or colleagues. Here are a few examples. Complimenting, "You figured out the solution to that complex problem? Wow, you're such a smart cookie." Acknowledging, "She's a smart cookie. She negotiated her way into a better deal." Describing, "Look for Jake at the event. He's a smart cookie and can give you great advice." Remember, while the phrase is a compliment, the context in which you use it is crucial. It's most appropriate in casual and semi-formal situations. There you have it, folks. Now you know what it means to be called a smart cookie and how you can use the phrase in your daily conversations. It's a fun and informal way to recognize intelligence and quick-wittedness in others. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English language repertoire. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video for more exciting English language insights.